Hello, and in today's video we're going to continue the Enterprise series covering Flight Hub 2 by discussing how to use Flight Hub 2 to back up the missions on your Enterprise controller. If you've been using any of the Enterprise drones for a while, it's quite likely you have a nice collection of missions on your controller. Some of those you'll run regularly, but I'm a digital hoarder and never throw anything away, so you might just be keeping them in case they're useful in the future. Using the controller, there really wasn't a good way to do this. You could back up the KML of the site, but it didn't bring with it all the settings, so you'd have to recreate all that manually. But now with Flight Hub 2, you can back them all up to the cloud, including all the settings and everything else. This allows you to move those missions from one drone to another, or send them to other team members. So how do we do that? You can back up to any project you like, but I like to keep projects clean, so I created a project called Backup that I use for keeping everything in one place. If you want to learn how to create a project, go to the introduction video in the Flight Hub series and follow the instructions there. Once you have your project, start your controller, make sure it has a good internet connection, and then log into the project you'll be using for your backups. Now go to the flight route area and make sure that you are on the library tab at the top. This is where all the local copies of missions are kept. Press and hold a mission that you want to back up and it will be selected. You can now select others, or if you want to select them all, press select all in the top right. At the bottom, you'll see several new icons. Click on the one with the cloud and the little up arrow to start backing up to Flight Hub 2. If you switch over to the Cloud tab, you'll see that these are now being copied over. You have to give it time, so don't shut down the controller. Just wait until all of the copies are complete. Once all the copies are done, you now have access to these from the Cloud tab of any device that's connected to this project, and you won't have to worry about losing them or not having them on a device when you need it. Well, that's it. Quick and easy and a great way to have peace of mind. As always, I love to hear from you, so feel free to leave a comment or a question. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.